Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first. You have to take water. Then add wind to it. When you do that it will make wave. Then go to the other side. Take water. Then add fire to it. When you do that it will make steam. The next step is to add steam into wave. When you do that it will make surf. Then add wave to it. When you do that, it will make surfer. Then go to the other side. Take earth. Then you have to add wind to it. When you do that, it will make dust. Then add wind to it. When you do that, it will make sandstorm. The next step is to combine sandstorm and surfer. When you do that, it will make sandman. Then you have to add surfer to it. When you do that, it will make dream. Now, we are halfway done. Then add dream to it. When you do that it will make nightmare. Then go to the other side. Take dust. Then add earth to it. When you do that, it will make planet. Then add steam to it. When you do that, it will make steam monk. Then add earth to it. When you do that, it will make robot. Then add planet to it. When you do that, it will make cyborg. Then combine cyborg to nightmare. When you do that, it will make Freddy. Now, the last step is to add wind to Freddy. And the result is Freddy Fazbear. Voila! And that's how you make Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.